Hey there, folks! Welcome back to the For Real channel. I'm Anna, and today we've got a super handy tutorial lined up for all you iPhone users out there. Have you ever struggled with that tiny keyboard on your iPhone? Especially if you have one of those cute little iPhone mini models? Well, worry not, because today I'm going to show you how to make your iPhone keyboard bigger. Yep, you heard me right. No more squinting at those tiny keys. We've got 3 methods to tackle this issue, so let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about tweaking your display settings. This is a built-in feature that'll make your entire iPhone user interface bigger, including your keyboard. It's super simple. Just follow these steps. 1. Open your Settings app. 2. Scroll down and tap on Display and Brightness. 3. Scroll down again until you find the Display section. 4. Now tap on Display Zoom. 5. Select Larger Text. 6. Tap Done in the top right corner. Your iPhone's display will briefly turn black for about 3 seconds, and when it comes back, voila! Your whole UI, including that keyboard, is now bigger and easier to use. If you're looking for a quick solution without adjusting settings, here's a neat trick. You can simply turn your iPhone sideways while typing. This will automatically make the keyboard bigger because it rotates to a landscape view. It's as easy as that. Now, if the previous methods don't quite cut it for you, we have another option. You can use a third-party keyboard app from the App Store. Here's how. 1. Head over to the App Store. 2. Search for keyboard apps like XL Keyboard, Larger Keyboard, TuneKey Key Size, and Fingerscope, or Big Keys Keyboard. 3. Choose the one that catches your eye and install it. You can try out different apps and pick the one that suits you best. Keep in mind that some users find the user interface of these apps a bit different, so choose wisely. Now, if none of these solutions float your boat and you're still struggling, it might be time for an upgrade. Consider getting an iPhone with a larger display. Those iPhone mini models are perfect for small hands. But if you're not loving it, saving up for an iPhone Pro Max might be the way to go. You can also speed things up by trading in your current iPhone mini. If you found this video helpful so far, make sure to hit that thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and drop a comment below. We love hearing from you and helping you out with your tech dilemmas. Plus, subscribing means you won't miss out on any of our awesome tutorials in the future. Well, there you have it, folks. Making your iPhone keyboard bigger is a breeze with these methods. Whether you choose to tweak your display settings, turn your phone sideways, or opt for a third-party keyboard app, you've got options. And remember, if all else fails, consider upgrading to a bigger iPhone model. Thanks for tuning in to For Real, and I'll catch you in the next video. Happy typing!